Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of April 5th to 11th. Please keep in mind this is a general reading and might not resonate with everyone, might not resonate just now or tomorrow. Come back to watch this reading again because readings are usually timeless and predictions are for the future. Doesn't mean that future will start just now, future could be anytime. So let's see what your week has. Okay, two cards. King of Pentacles, King of Wands. Okay. So, Virgo, if I talk about, let's say, love, you are dealing with two people. One, very fiery energy, and one is somebody is very well to do, very slightly older than you, maybe. But there is no communication, I feel, or you feel that you're not ready for love. Let me clarify this Nine of Wands for you. But there is nothing is moving on, I feel. Yeah, this is your energy, because in the past maybe somebody was juggling, or one of these people are juggling, or you are juggling between these two people, that you feel is enough now, and I really can't do it. So this is the energy that I'm getting. You're walking away, though there are emotions involved in one of those, and you don't want to see this person is fought with two people, and two people are moving away, and this person kind of hold the swords, and um, so you have probably, you want to end everything. You don't know how to juggle. You don't know how to take care of the situation. So it's very flimsy for you. Let me see what the major arcana cards have for you. Yeah. This week is all about clarity, Virgo. This week is all about clarity. This week is all about whether you'll go with stability, whether you'll go with passion, is what I see, right? One is passion, one is stability, one is a stable, grounded person, one is very passionate, very hot, sexy, or something like that. And you will have clarity this week whether who you want to go ahead with, and what decision you want to take. Let me see some messages from the universe. Okay, keep it simple when you're choosing, right? Your treasure is at hand. Um, I feel it's saying that go beyond material comforts when choosing people. Most people are just trying to survive. See, keep it simple. So don't look at the pockets right now. I know it's important. I know we are being practical when we are saying don't choose a partner who's well settled. Why not? But it's saying that look for something more than just a social status or something. I think this is what it's saying, that or look beyond passion, look beyond just passion, or look beyond just money. These two things are easily found in the world, but you know the kind of person you want, so look for that. Let us see some more messages. I'll take only one card from this deck. When I think I've surrendered, I surrender more. So I think listen to your intuition. Listen to what your intuition is trying to tell you. Let's see how you can handle the situation. How can Virgo handle the situation, Lord? Welfare work. So welfare work, I would say it's not, you can't do a welfare work and decide for a person, but welfare work means work with the community, with the people around you. I think if you're not able to decide on your own, take help of people around you. See how good this person is with other people, with your friends, with people who don't have much money, or with people who don't are as good as he or she is. So just try to judge that person from other person's point of view, or other people's perspective also. I think it will be easier for you to decide, I feel, because this is a week where you actually can decide who to go with, right? This is all I have for you, Virgo, and I'll meet you next week. If you like what I do, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.